Okay, in that unit 11, last class we completed 2 lessons. In that unit 11, total 4 lessons is there. Last class we completed first lesson, second lesson completed. Now we go to lesson 3. Lesson 3 is preparing for the installation. Before you begin an SAP system installation, you need to prepare several things. Okay. So you are going to install SAP software in your personal laptop or in company server. Before installation, you want to do something. For example, two types of installation is there. One is stack XML file installation is there. On that time, we require maintenance planner. We want to download latest SWPM and we want installation media, read the installation guide. Compulsory, before installation, compulsory whatever product we are installing, whatever product version we are installing, that product installation guide is there. We want to read that installation guide before installation. Read all required SAP notes listed in the installation guide. There are so many SAP notes is there. You did not read all the SAP notes. Whatever SAP notes available in installation guide. So whatever SAP notes is listed in the installation guide, we want to read that particular SAP notes only. Before installation, you install SAP GUI for Windows software, or after installation, you install SAP GUI for Windows. So before installation, you want to install means before you download that one. And we want to do prerequisites check. Installation media download. To perform an installation of an SAP system, you need the right media. The maintenance planner help you calculate the media. The following site. Okay. So what is this means? You want to install SAP system by using stack XML file means we want to use maintenance planner. So on the time I told about this one, how to install a SAP system by using maintenance planner. I already teach also. So on the time, once again, I told clearly, this screens that one only. So we download files from maintenance planner. For installing purpose, we download files for maintenance planner. That screens that one only. Now here, download the additional software. Now, what are the softwares we require? RDBMS server software means Relational Database Management System. RDBMS means database software. Whatever product version you are installing, compulsory, we require database software. RDBMS client software. For the database, client software is there means we want client software also. For example, we are using Hana database means we require Hana client software also. We are using Oracle database means we require Oracle client software also. We are using DB2 database software means we require DB2 client software also. And SWPM. And export software also. For installing ABAP system, we require export software. For installing ABAP system, we require export software. For installing Java system, we require Java software. And latest SAP car also. To extract SWPM, we require latest SAP car tool. That means before installing, we require database software, database client software, SWPM software, SAP car software, and export software. For example, languages also we require. For example, I want to do installation by using stack XML file means compulsory. I want to download files from maintenance planner. On that time, I required stack XML file also. So SWPM tool we required and some tool also we required. And we required latest SAP host agent software also. And we required kernel software also. Latest kernel software we want to download. And latest spam or saint update and database backup also. And RDBMS database software, database client software, languages software, and support packages software. When we require this one, when we are installing SAP software by using stack XML file, on that time only we require stack XML file, some and we require this spam or saint update, or we require this additional languages, we require this support packages. When we are installing SAP system by using stack XML file, on the time we require that one. So here, software download center, SWPC. From there, we want to download latest SAP core, database software, database client software, your product version export. Every product version means SAP NetWeaver 7.5 export file is different. SAP ECC 6.0 EHP export file is different. Like that, every product version, different export file is there. There only we want to download. Languages, some guide like that. Installation guides and SAP notes. What is the use of installation guide? They're telling clearly here. Before performing each installation, read the corresponding installation guide for your specific combination of operating system and database. Okay. So here, when we go to help portal, when we go to help.sap.com, when we go to help.sap.com, we want to download installation guide by using help.sap.com only. Here, for example, I type my product version is SAP NetWeaver 7.5. That is my product version. And I click here. Scroll down. Here we have installation guide. Click this one. Guide finder for SAP NetWeaver and ABAP platform. Scroll down. When we downloading guide, first of all, here we want to select I am installing new system. Here we want to select I am installing ABAP system. Here we want to select, scroll down, our product version, SAP NetWeaver 7.5. Here scroll down and select our operating system Windows. Here scroll down and select our database is Oracle. So like that we want to select everything. So this is the guide. So when we click here, guide will be open. Okay. Here a PDF is there. So guide is open like this. This is master guide, installation guide. Here we want to get some PDF option. They are not showing now. Here PDF option, they are removed. So software provisioning manager also we download. Okay, so when downloading installation guide time, we are providing about our new system, ABAP system, NetWeaver 7.5, our operating system, our database, everything like that one only here they're telling. So before performing each installation, read the corresponding installation guide. Before you are doing installation, read the installation guide for your specific combination of operating system and database. In which operating system you are installing, in which database you are using, select that operating system and database, download the installation guide and read that particular installation guide. Now keep the installation guide ready during the installation. Before installation, compulsory, you keep the installation guide so that you can follow each successive step for the installation procedure. So you have installation guide before installation means you follow that installation guide, you've done successful installation. That's why whatever product version we are installing in company server. So before installation, we read the installation guide. We download the installation guide. So based on your operating system and database, you download the installation guide and read that installation guide. When you read that installation guide, when you follow that installation guide, what will be happen is you got successful installation. So like this, in installation time, we select our operating system, ABAP and database like that. We want to download the installation guide. Now SAP notes. What is the use of SAP notes? What is the use of SAP notes? Read the current version of all relevant SAP notes. So in your installation guide, whatever SAP notes is there, you read all the SAP notes. These SAP notes contain additional information that is required when performing an installation. So in that SAP notes also, you got additional information about your installation. So for that purpose, read only the SAP notes relevant for your specific installation. There are lot of SAP notes is there, thousands of SAP notes is there. You read only particular SAP notes relevant for your specific installation. Whatever you are installing, for that particular installation, SAP notes only we want to read. For what purpose we want to read? To avoid known problems. Read the SAP notes before beginning an installation. So before starting installation, so for your particular installation, what are the SAP notes is there? You read all the SAP notes, means what will be happen means in installing time we got any error, means how to solve that error. That information you got in SAP notes. That's why you read that SAP notes, means you solve that error easily and done successful installation. For that purpose, we want to read SAP notes. Make sure that you have all the relevant SAP notes available during installation so that you can solve potential problems that may occur. Same only. So you have all SAP notes for your installation means in installation time you got any error means you usually solve that error. SAP GUI software. So for example, in this system, we are installing SAP software. In this system only, you install SAP GUI software or you put separate system for a separate system. In this system, you install SAP GUI software, your wish. For example, here we saw. In this system, server is there. In this system, server is there. In this system, server. So here I installed SAP GUI software. So what? So not like that means here in separately I install SAP GUI. From here I connect to here like that also. That one only. So where you are installing SAP software in that system, we install SAP GUI software and keep separate system in that system also we install SAP GUI software. Like that they install. Installation media is nothing. The master guide. When we open master guide, here I open master guide. No, this is the master guide. When we open master guide, the master guide lists the installation media you need for installation in the media information section. The installation guide lists the installation media you need the installation in the chapter preparation. So nothing, both are same. But here when we open master installation media, you got media information section. When we open installation guide, here we got installation media section. That one only. So here what they're telling means before installation compulsory. What are the softwares? What are the SAP notes? Everything they require, you keep it and start the installation. That one only they're telling in this lesson. Nothing they tell. What they're telling means in this lesson, before installation, what are the softwares we required for installation? Compulsory. We required swpm.sar file, latest swpm.sar file, latest SAP car tool, and kernel software. ABAP system means export software. Java system means Java software, and database software, database client software. Compulsory. Kernel software, latest one only, SAP post agent software, database software. For database client is there means database client software, database client software, SWPM, latest SWPM, SAP car. So SWPM, database client, database software, kernel. And for example, we are installing ABAP system is export for ABAP system. We are installing Java system is Java for Java system. So this Java previously called as Java components also. We called as Java or Java components. So these are the softwares we require. Before installation, we want to download that softwares and keep that softwares. And not only that one, we require installation guide and SAP notes. For example, before when installing time only, we install SAP GUI for Windows also. We install SAP GUI for Windows also. So these are the softwares we require. So in company, they ask you, you install SAP software means you tell, yes, I install SAP software. How you install means you don't tell like this. My trainer told based on like that, you don't tell like that. Professional way, how the professionals they mean. So yeah, I installed SAP software by using installation guide. I read the installation guide. I follow that installation guide. I done the installation like that. We want to tell. That is the correct answer. You told like my trainer told like that you told me, so they rejected it. So this lesson about that one. So lesson 3 is completed.